Ever wondered how to kickstart your own online business? Welcome back to Money Mastermind. Today, we're plunging into the exciting realm of dropshipping. This video is your golden ticket to understanding and starting a dropshipping business. So strap in and let's unravel the mystery of dropshipping. Dropshipping, in essence, is a retail practice where you don't need to stockpile products. You collaborate with a supplier who ships your products directly to the customers once you've made a sale. This liberates you from the shackles of inventory management, giving you the freedom to operate an online store with ease. So, why should you choose dropshipping? Well, it comes with a plethora of benefits: minimal upfront costs, no need for physical storage, a vast array of product options, the freedom to work from anywhere, and the potential for scalability. However, before you dive headfirst into dropshipping, here are some key factors to ponder: niche selection, supplier research, online store setup, and marketing strategy. Now let's delve into a step-by-step guide to dropshipping. Step 1. Select a niche. Remember, passion and demand are key here. Choose a product category that resonates with your interests and aligns with market demand. Step 2. Hunt for reliable suppliers. Platforms like AliExpress, Salehoo, and Oberlo can help you connect with suppliers who provide quality products and efficient shipping. Step 3. Establish your online store. Platforms like Shopify, WooCommerce, or BigCommerce are your best bet here. Customize your store, add product listings, and set up payment methods. Step 4. Optimize for sales. Make your store irresistible to potential customers with clear product descriptions, high-quality images, and a user-friendly website. Step 5. Market your store. Drive traffic and sales with a robust marketing strategy. Leverage social media marketing, email marketing, SEO, and pay-per-click advertising. Step 6. Never underestimate the power of excellent customer service. Be responsive to customer inquiries and resolve issues promptly. So there you have it, a comprehensive guide on what dropshipping is and how to get started with it. Remember, the road to dropshipping success is paved with dedication, continuous learning, and adaptability. If you found this video beneficial, smash that like button and subscribe for more content on e-commerce, business, and entrepreneurship. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll catch you in the next video.